Good day, Guiding Wheel fans. Ron here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to start your snapper snowblower. When it comes to starting it, first thing you want to do is come to the key. The key is going to go all the way clockwise to the right. This will turn it on. Next thing you want to do, there's this red switch down here. You're going to turn it counterclockwise so that the line is this way, parallel. That's going to turn the gas on. Make sure your gas is turned all the way this way. Next step up here, you're going to go to your choke. You're going to make sure that is turned all the way clockwise. That's going to turn your choke full way on. You will come over here and there's a primer bulb. You'll press the primer bulb 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This will prime gas into the engine. Now there's 2 ways to start it. Most people are going to have this pull cord. At this point you will pull the pull cord to start. Otherwise you can have an electric start here. You'll have an electric plug in here and you'll press the button. My recommendation is if your snowblower is new, use this pull as much as possible because this is a replaceable part that can wear out. So if you save it till your snowblower is getting older and harder to start, it's probably better. So now that I've got this choke primed, turned on, you should be able to just give it a quick pull. That will fire it up. Once you've fired it up, 1, 2 clicks back this way, and that'll take it off of choke. If you have an older snowblower, you'll go 1, let it run for a little bit, then go 2, and then you should be ready to run your snowblower. So that's how easy it is. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.